Come back to another video. Here we are going to discuss trisyllabic word and prefix more and most in comparative and superlative degree. Now let us see here. So the words which are having more than 2 syllables and or you can say trisyllabic and polysyllabic words always takes prefixes more and in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. And one point you need to remember, definite article the is always used before the prefix most and superlative form in EST also. Okay, so that is the superlative degree is very important. You need to follow that is. So now let us see here. So I have taken here 5 words and 5 adjectives here. The first one is beautiful, and here we have u, e, a. So here we have 3 syllables. So it is trisyllabic word. So this can be right more beautiful, and the most beautiful you can say, but you cannot say beautiful or beautifulest. Okay, and another exclusive. Here also we have 1, 2, 3 word sounds. So it has 3 syllables. So this can be more exclusive and the most exclusive you can say. And informatic. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4 syllabic word. So you can call it as a polysyllabic word, and which can be used only prefixes in comparative more informatic and in superlative the most informatic. And expensive, here expensive. So E, A, E. Again we have 3 syllables and trisyllabic word. So this can be expensive. My mobile is more expensive than his mobile. His mobile is the most expensive than. So you cannot say like that. So than cannot be used in with the most form. Okay, this is the most expensive mobile. You can say like that. Okay. So next, intelligent, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 syllables we have. So whenever you find a word consisting more than 2 syllables and 3 syllables, maximum you can start with 3 syllable and polysyllabic words always uses prefixes more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree, and in some superlative degree the definite article must be used. Okay, and this is one condition. And let us come to the point of there are some disyllabic words which ends with so there are disyllabic word which ends with full, less, ing and ed. So these are disyllabic words, but they take always prefixes more and most in comparative and superlative degree. So for example you can see the word peaceful, which is ended with FUL, peaceful, needful, helpful. Like these are words always takes more in comparative degree. So more peaceful, more helpful, the most peaceful, you can say like that. And for example, if you find les, if a word, an adjective ends with les, then it will be helpless. So then more helpless, the most helpless, you can say. And boring, ing. So whenever an adjective ending with ing, that will also going to take always more and most. So the most boring, the more boring, you can say like that. And surprised, whenever, which is actually you can see the form of past participle, verb to form. So verb to form can also used as an adjective form, and this is so surprised. So ed ended with ed. So here also you can use more surprised and the most surprised. So this is the way you can understand. So these 2 conditions, trisyllabic and polysyllabic, and disyllabic ending with full, less, ing, ing and ed are going to take always more and most in comparative and superlative degree. Okay. Now in another video I am going to discuss some irregular adjective forms and some Latin adjective forms which are going to be used in formation of adjectives and adverbs. Thank you.